This is how the milk you drink every day is made in massive factories. And trust me, you've never seen this process like this before. It all begins at modern dairy farms, where cows are kept in clean and controlled environments. Automated machines extract milk safely and send it through sealed tubes instantly. The fresh milk is stored in large tanks and quickly transported to insulated tanker trucks. These trucks keep the milk cool as it travels to the processing factory. At the factory, the milk is unloaded through closed pipelines. No air, no contamination, just a fully controlled system. Before anything else, the milk is tested in labs. Only high-quality milk moves forward in the process. Next comes filtration, removing even the tiniest impurities. Then pasteurization, where milk is heated to kill harmful bacteria. And finally, cooling and homogenization, giving milk its smooth texture. Now the clean milk is ready. Bottles move perfectly in line and are filled with precision, each one getting the exact same amount. Caps are sealed tightly to lock in freshness. Then bottles are packed and prepared for delivery. The packaged milk is stored in cold areas and loaded onto trucks. From here, it's sent to stores near you. Within hours, it appears on supermarket shelves, looking simple, but made through a powerful process. From farm to factory to your glass, this is the journey of milk. So next time you drink it, you'll know exactly what it took to get there.